Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. Are you a female voice actor or a male voice actor? Then this video is for you. This video was requested by one of my subscribers here on YouTube. I decided to share this opportunity with you guys. If you're interested in becoming a voice artist, you want to watch this video, okay? I'm going to introduce you to a platform where you can get voice actor jobs. Okay, they have amazing job openings. They have loads of job openings for you right now that you can apply to if you're already into this path, so you can start working. So basically what you will do as a voice artist is to record a voiceover for their personal projects or personal brands. Some people would want you to, record a voiceover for their YouTube channel, for their YouTube videos and stuff like that. So that's basically what it means. If you're good at it, then this platform I'm going to show you is a good mine. You may want to check it out and apply. I'm not going to dwell much about the pay due to YouTube policy, but I'll try my best to just, but I'm going to show you the platform. You can see the pay on the screen and see if you qualify. So this is remote position, but then if you live in the US or Canada, you're also free to apply. Okay, so we're going to be focusing on remote opportunities so that those of you in Africa can apply to this jobs. Okay, so they're seriously looking for voice actors. Seriously looking for voice actors right now. So if you're interested, watch till the end. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who is interested in going into voice acting or someone who is already into voice acting that can start a job immediately. Okay, subscribe for more videos like this if you're just joining me for the first time, and drop a comment. Subscribe for more videos like this, and if you're joining me for the first time, and if you also want me to make videos about your specific career, drop in a comment and I'll get it tailored to you. Let's go there. So besties, this is the platform here. It's called twine.net. Twine.net. So you can go to twine.net, look at it here on my screen, and start browsing for jobs. Voiceover artist, you're working on freelance basis. You're going to work as a freelancer, and you're going to work remotely. Find the best freelance voiceover artist jobs and remote voiceover artist jobs from clients around the world. Search for projects matching your voiceover artist skills at top companies. Apply today. So this one is remote, negotiable. It expires in a month, so you still have. It was posted a day ago. Actually, it was posted a day ago, and it's so popular. So let's read more and see. Closing date is a month left. Applications. So 33 freelancers have already applied for this. What they do here is that clients come here to post for jobs, and then freelancers like yourself will apply. If you're selected, you'll be given the job. You'll be given the gig. They're looking for a voiceover actor to provide voiceover work for their YouTube channel. You should be able to deliver professional audio recordings that suit the requirements of their content. The role is fully remote and available as a full-time contract position. You see, so if you land this one, it's going to be on a full-time basis. It's going to be a full-time contract position, which means it will be ongoing. Okay, they're ready to make a paid hire and are seeking a junior level candidate for this opportunity. Hourly rate is $20 to $25. In what capacity are you hiring? Client or customer? Why are you in the hiring process and rate? Okay, so you can see now that the job is open for you to apply if you're interested in applying. So how does it work? Review job leads for free, like we just did. Filter by local or global clients and get real-time notifications for new opportunities. You apply with ease. Pick the best leads, unlock contact details, and apply effortlessly with Twine's AI application tool. You can grow your career by showcasing your work, pitch to the best leads, land new clients, and use Twine's tool to find more opportunities. You can sign up here for free. Okay, so this job has reached its application limit for free accounts. So now, if you want to get in, you can sign up. And I want to also remind you guys that this video is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid. So whether you sign up as a pro member or not, I have no share of your money. Okay, so I can't advise you whether to sign up as a pro member or not. So the thing is that when a job is posted, you can come quickly and apply. If not, you can see that 33 people have already applied, which means they've reached limit for free accounts. And then you have to. So to start this application, you enter your email here. Okay. Let me see. It's even cheap, guys. So you can sign up for free today. It's a day free standard account with job application limits. Apply to some jobs, 1 free application per month to jobs that are not popular. Be invited to jobs and appear in client freelance search tools, instant notification of. So what this means is that if you sign up as a pro member, you can be showcased. You can be showcased on the freelance search tools. Clients can find you and invite you to apply. Then you have unlimited job application. You receive job alerts whenever there's job alert. So if you go for this one is 32 cents per day, and you can cancel anytime. You have 50 applications each month and the ability to apply on any job. More visibility to clients and all of that. No transaction fee. So I am not encouraging or like I'm not advising. This is what they are charging per month, $18. If you're serious and you want to, get a voice actor job, you can subscribe for monthly, like 1 month at least, and see. I give it a go. Because if you start working here, you won't be grateful that you paid this. And this is premium that will give you unlimited jobs. This is not why I came here anyway. I didn't even see this part before coming here. They will also help you AI cover letter writing, priority support. You can contact clients directly with Pro Badge. So I didn't with international payout, you see. So those of you that are always crying about payout method, international payouts are available to all members via several common payment platforms. Okay, so you have nothing to worry about. So you can sign up, or we continue searching for job. This one is open job. We are seeking expert podcast voice talent. Okay, this one is for Singapore. This one is remote as well. Freelance voice talent, remote, paying $80. Voiceover or dubbing artist needed in India. So those of you in India asking for a remote job, you can go for this one. They're looking for voiceover or dubbing artist for a stories channel similar to Soft Tunes and Best Prime Stories. The work is for personal projects and will involve providing voiceovers or dubbing for story content. The artist can work remotely, and the initial job is single project with the possibility of follow-up work if it goes well, right? So this one is open now. You can apply. So this one too is remote. It expires in a month. Hiring freelancers for a voice recording project. No experience needed. Urgent. Secret Solution Private Limited. But they're looking for native speakers from the UK, US, Australia, Canada, Japan, Korea, France, Spain, Germany, and all those other countries. So just keep searching. You find something that you can do for yourself from this platform. The second platform we're looking at is called StarNow, voiceover jobs. They have about voiceover jobs, and they have about 154 voiceover jobs with 49 production near all locations. roles paying up to 724 USD worldwide. Casting voice actors for the audiobook adaptation of Michael's Dreams of Dust and Steel, Book 1. Education video, casting a narrator for a short educational video developed to support substance use education. Top tier tech company voiceovers required. Multiple roles dialect, paying up to £5,000. So they have the ones that are for UK only, US only, and worldwide. Like this one is worldwide. Neurobridge, voice acting for a sci-fi audio drama fiction podcast. Supplement commercial view, Spanish speaking female voiceover actor. Audio drama, New Zealand insurance bank. So they have jobs. You can select search acting jobs, crew jobs, content creator jobs, model jobs, kids voiceovers, teen voiceovers, early 20-year-old voiceover jobs, mid 20-year voiceover jobs, early 30-year-old voiceover jobs. So whichever one you want to go for, search for it on this platform and apply. So let's say I'm applying for any of these. How to go about it is to sign up as a talent. You can sign up with your Google account, Apple, or your email. I always sign up with my Google account because it's easy and straight to the point. You can also search for roles here yourself. Search for any role here. Filter the roles here by yourself. Okay, so the first one is this one, Twine, and the second platform is StarNow. So go and do your job search. If you're a voiceover actor, good, you apply. Alright, I'm not into voiceover just because you guys requested I make a video like this. Okay, so go and join now and let me know if you're selected in the comments. Okay, please let me know. I really love feedback. I love it so much. There you've seen these jobs are currently open. You can apply right now after watching this video. Feel free to share it with someone. The pay is really good, as you can see, as you saw on the screen, and it's open for remote. They have remote positions. They also have in-person positions, but for you who is outside the United States, you're going to be going for a remote position, right? So let me know your thoughts in the comment. I have more of them. If you want more videos about voiceover jobs, drop in the comments and I will bring them your way. But for now, feel free to explore this platform. The link will be in the description so that you can explore. Share with someone else. Share this video, right? Share this video with someone else who's interested in working as a voiceover artist. And please subscribe, okay? And like the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys at the next one.